sprayed the silly string on me.
Awesome. Thank you. Spend the night.
That's why the fireworks are going off, idiot.
Fuck you.
Fucking fireworks!
Fucking fireworks!
Trying to cage.
We are so awesome.
Yes, we are.
Is that a video? So you're getting us on video. Hey, she's videoing. Yeah! There's some 2010 memories.
Yeah!
We're gonna start getting to the metal now. Hey!
I do cocaine! Hey! You know that!
It's way.
I cannot say.
I don't know the song, I was just going along with you.
I can't even save myself.
I don't even know what I was just stabbing with. Get up, come on, get down. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate, let it flow into me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You wanna get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You wanna get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Grab the sickness that has been given to me. Down, 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 and when I drink.
Actually, that came off pretty well, didn't it?
Man, you know Webby. Slits his old man. He fucking loved that. Yeah, he loved it.
Madness and the gift that has been given to me!
And at the end,
Woo! When suddenly it changes, violently it changes. No turning back now. You woken up the demon. Damn it! Sorry.
this is going to be a good band.
We get it. Experience.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just anything to do. Red is my favourite colour. Yeah, there it is. Don't lie to me.
Oh, it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Red! Yeah! It's a fiery red, not a cool red. That's a cool red. Drive a boat out in the middle of the river and watch the fireworks in the middle of the river. They've got no police on the water. They'd be like, hey, who's drinking? We have to have for him, but we can't get to him. So they'll be like, ah, you can't reach him. You can't reach him. Down.
about it, and now that I think about it, me and Chris are probably ruining.
Yeah, well.
We're probably ruining the moment. Sorry?
It happens.
One man's
Sorry
movement is
for
another
ruining the
man.
moment. This is strange.
What's funny is she got it all on camera.
Oh man, you heard all of that. Is that a bed? Sorry, what's your name? My name is shut the fuck up.
Boom!
That was a good one.
Go!
Oh god, they're gonna try